Hello there, it's Heider here. Going on about a Xbox, one of my friends, he tried to do something with the NAND, flashing it or do some stuff with it, and the whole thing is bricked, so it will not turn on. Well, it will turn on green, but nothing else. So if we connect the power and the HDMI, it no longer works. Nothing comes up on the display.
Allen is a
this will tell me what the soldering was like.
And says this is necessary to keep the country going.
Many businesses, especially in some of the low-skilled sectors, would have wanted to lay off staff and rehire again in a few months' time if it was feasible to do so. And if the government is determined to see a strong recovery after the coronavirus and after the economy reopens, then it's going to be absolutely essential that people have money in their pockets in order to fund that.
That's the ground point, and I had a problem with it because it takes a lot of heat.
Yeah.
So that's why I decided to connect it to the over there. Over there.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the ground. Yeah, that's what I had a problem with it.
Are they? Yeah, they should be a ground. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the ground, and I had a problem with that pin. As I said, it takes a lot of the heat and doesn't actually solder properly. Doesn't solve well, so that's why just below this orange one.
In a rural community in Nova Scotia, the attack began on Saturday night, and the 12-hour.
So now let's just check the others if they are shorted.
They shouldn't be, but
I'm going to go back a bit.
From Sky News at 9:14 a.m.
So you can see it better on the screen.
I don't mind actually, I can see it over there.
Centre at 9, the government insists it's confident the system set up to run the coronavirus job return.
Too much. Right, okay. So, let's start by checking the ground, the shortage. So that's ground.
Not that one, I mean on the left.
Yeah, but this is shortage ground.
It might be, I don't know. I didn't touch.
That's ground.
That's the ground definitely, yeah. That was.
There's two ground there.
And the rest are JTAGs, and they shouldn't be actually connected.
So that's ground. Yeah, that is zero, definitely ground. Let's just check this one. Yeah, you see this one. You go, this is ground.
Yeah.
This is ground.
Yeah.
And that one
it's not.
Looks like it's a diode. These two are grounded. Are these really grounds? Yeah, that is ground. Okay. Right. Okay. So
this ground, yeah.
Before we carry on, I think let's just. I'm just going to try to
redo
get the solder correctly on these ones. So. I usually do a 350.
Only?
Yeah, I don't do more.
Yeah, but you've got the professional tools.
Yeah, no, this one is... and you probably recognize this.
I don't like it for
I know,
soldering.
this is for the
pipes, plumbing. Is it not corroding the...
It works perfectly for this.
Is it not corroding the... That's what I've been reading.
You would not believe it, no. Because after you finish...
Yeah.
You do isopropyl, and it works perfectly. See, I'll show you.
Alright, I know it's much better because it's... yeah, but you have to clean it later on.
Yes.
With the other flags, you don't need to.
No, definitely. So, that's, can you see on the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
So that's enough. It's perfect. I know people advise against it. Don't use this for electronic.
That's right.
But that is better than this. And I also have that one on as well. That's the soluble, if you want to do it. Yeah.
Aktywna do zbudowania. Is it coming from Poland? It looks like. Yeah. It's a Polish one. Where are you getting this from?
Well, I ordered them, so they come in.
Yeah, that's from Poland. Definitely. It is Polish stuff. Oh, this one's, yeah. I'm using at this moment what I pocket.
But hang on, do you see that line there?
It's going up to. Sorry, no, I cannot.
See, when the pin.
I cannot see it on the camera. Sorry, because you want the board.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
No, let me just zoom out a bit.
The pin in the middle between them, this squarish one.
Now? I just zoomed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just.
This squarish one, you mean?
I'll show you again.
All right.
Let me focus it more. There. See, when you try to solder.
Yeah.
Like this, and it doesn't take it. It's not melting, see?
Yeah, I know.
The reason is because, well, the best thing to do is get some solder on top.
On these ones, yeah. I know, it will work right there, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, the other trick is you put the heating gun next to it, just slightly, because it heats the area around it.
If you've got a heating gun?
Yeah.
I don't have it.
Well, perfect. That's fine.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. So what I'll do...
Unless the big heating gun, you know, from the...
See, now it melted immediately, see that?
Yeah, I know,
now it's not
that's
melting.
fine.
So now it's melting, see that?
Yeah, I know. What about the ground point? Yeah.
Yeah, it's all done. See this?
Yes.
I don't know about too much. Oh, I love that. Yeah, see? It's gone.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm not sure if I've been touching that, but definitely I touched the ground once and the next to it. I have no idea what's that.
Yeah, it looks like a ground through hole.
So leave it, because I didn't touch it.
Yeah, that's fine. So
just the ground on the left under the... Yeah. This one takes more heat. And I had a problem with properly heating it up, so
yeah,
that's why I decided to connect it over there.
Yeah.
And I've been reading online, and the people, yes, saying it takes a lot of heat at this point.
It means it's going all over the place. See, now they're all nicely done. You don't need more than 350 for this.
Alright.
Yeah. So that looks fine. And let's just check the other bits. This one.
That might not look nice, I'm afraid, sorry.
That looks okay.
Yeah, that was.
See, you got a lot of flux in there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Because I tried to do it nicely and quickly.
Yeah.
That's why I left a lot of flux on it.
Why do you have on the capacitor itself?
Because there is no other point to solve it to.
Well, that is a problem. See, this one here.
Yeah.
It's like in between two places.
Is it?
Yeah.
Take it out then.
Let's have a look at it.
Take it out, because that was the second actually mold where I tried to
see, now you
connect.
can see it. Do you see where is it going?
Are they not connected?
Well,
hold on. There is. Alright, I need to find it online, I think, because is it between two others?
Yeah. See that? I'll show you there. So you got that point.
Yeah.
That point.
Yes.
And it could be also this point. I don't know.
Yeah, that's connected to this capacitor resistor. I'm not sure. It's going that way and upwards. Let me just.
But where is that going to? Because that looks like it's going through this through hole.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not sure.
This.
So I'm not sure if that's connected. Have I connected? Have I shorted it?
Yeah, it looks like it is. I'll check.
Alright, I need to find that. Probably I have to.
So let's check this one out. Yeah, that's connected.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's probably not in the right place.
See, look at the cable that you have. See those?
Yeah, I know. It's going.
No, look at. Do you see these?
No, I cannot see. Sorry, on the.
Oh, hang on. See, I'm touching those.
Yeah.
These are pins.
Yes.
And they're touching everything else. You see those?
That's the pins.
Yeah, look.
Oh, sugar.
Yeah.
All right.
You got.
Sorry.
Never ever solder with a cable with wires in. Always use
this.
thing.
Yeah, this wire has been supplied with this actually glitcher.
See, I'll.
Yeah, those wires. Yeah.
See how is it?
And as you can see, the insulation is damaged because I tried. Yeah, I can see it. I tried to hold in the right place and I probably press it too much.
No, that's all.
And I have damaged the insulation over there.
I just need to double check, just get these out. You see things like this, you never see.
Yeah, I know, you cannot see it. Yeah. Alright. Good to know.
Right, okay.
To be honest, you can take this wire out.
It's fine, Arthur. I'm just gonna make sure first that we have a...
Because that's the second mode where I tried... Anyway, you said the connector. I'm not sure if that's the right
First of all,
thing to do.
let's power up to see what the problem is.
Yeah.
And then we'll start this way. How's that?
Alright, up to you.
Okay, so let's see what you have.
Alright.
That's your flashing.
Sorry?
That's your flash.
Yeah.
Right, so we don't need that now. I'll put this here for now. Oh, sorry, you can use your laptop there if you want. Arthur.
It's fine.
Yeah.
We don't need that one at this moment.
Right.
Unless you want to do it at your
I'm
computer,
just
I don't know.
checking the rest of it. So I need to connect the display first.
That's connected. That's
Okay, so you're going to do the flash then first, like you asked.
I don't know, you need to tell me what you want to do.
I need to see it working first on the system, on the screen, to see where does it stop. Or do you just need to...
Doesn't start at all.
Oh, nothing?
Nothing, because whatever I have tried to write into NAND doesn't go well. And at this moment, you are not able to start the NAND at all.
No, but usually when you power up, there's a display and then it goes on.
No, nothing at all. Hold on. To do this, you need to, alright, if you want to start it, you need to connect this one, because that's the start button. It goes there.
Hang on, Arthur.
Right. You need to just plug it in.
Oops. Okay. So
And
switch the display to... Oh, switch to right. Fine. Okay, so let's put the power on.
yeah, I'm doing nothing.
You wouldn't even see anything on the display?
Nothing at all.
Even like the first animation and it goes off?
No, because there is nothing in the dump.
So that's why, did you have the display cables?
Yep.
Yeah, let's get the display.
It's not gonna start at all, because if you see, alright, I've been reading that if you hear just the beep without any lights, the NAND actually doesn't work, or at this moment I'm not sure how this glitcher is, how this glitcher is working.
It's fine. You don't need to take it off. It's fine.
To be honest, I never use that because I'm using HDMI.
I've got HDMI. But,
yeah, but I bring this one. You said it's better. So
when I was reading about Xbox the other day, is there's a system which I think is that it powers up initially and displays on the non-HDMI ports.
Oh, that way.
So it's like Linux. Yeah.
Right. So that's the.
Yeah, I need to get a couple of this to that.
Oh, sorry, I don't.
No, it's not you. No, I've got it somewhere. I'm sure I have it here somewhere. So let me have a look. I'll just find out. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to put it behind the TV anyway. So let's... yeah, PC is disabled now until I power up. So let's power up anyway. Let's see what happens. If not, I'll just tell it to go HDMI and get the cable from the other room.
But it's still on the...
Nothing.
It should be on. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You get a message that says E66 or E67 or any other? Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Alright.
Nothing, just the...
No worries.
No connection. Nothing.
Yeah, so the power is up, but nothing is coming out. So what I'll do, I'll just take this whole thing out.
Alright.
To begin with.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just do it quicker this way.
You can power it.
Just get this one. Hang on. Okay, so everything is off. Right. Okay. So. No, I need a microscope for this.
It's too small, yeah?
Well, it's fine. I can do it. Done it before many times, but I think microscope is definitely
yeah, I know it's
the right way to do it.
As I said, I have used just a magnifying glass.
Ah, man, that's fine.
That's all. Sorry, I don't have a microscope.
It's okay.
Not yet.
It's okay. Can you see like this? Yeah, should be fine.
Yeah, and the single wires.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, that was the second attempt. Actually, at the beginning I have done the other points,
Yeah.
but I didn't know that the writing on NAND doesn't go well, so I tried to do it the other way.
That's fine. You see?
Just disconnected at this moment completely.
Yeah, I know. Just
But you are trying, you are looking at the points, yeah?
yeah. So I need a solder wick. Where's my wick gone?
What is it for, sorry?
A wick. The wick is... A wick is it's like a little thing this big. With you can pull it. It's like a tooth, like a floss.
Yes.
And it cleans up the board.
You mean removing the solder?
The solder, yes.
Oh, I'm using, what I'm using, I don't have that.
No, don't worry.
I'm using the area cable wires.
Don't worry, I've got a different way. Yeah, that's better. See that?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely better. So you got this all.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, perfect. So that's out. I'm going to clean it up as well.
Right.
So that's, oh, what is this? What is that? If I go close to the chip,
Yeah.
see that?
I did. Have I touched that?
See that? No, see that?
Yeah, the points, yeah. Oh, why?
Yes. There's another one here.
Yeah, there is. I can see now.
Good.
But without the micro, so you cannot see it.
Good. That's the first one, yeah. So I'm going to take this whole thing off.
Yeah, just take it out.
Yeah. Number 2. Okay, so what is this? Real point. You see the screen?
Not very clear.
Oh, really?
It's alright. It's fine.
But we can keep it on that display like this. See, that is a through hole, you see.
Yeah.
And through holes should be filled up.
But the first, second, and third one looks like
I just
there are the holes in it.
Yeah. So if I do,
But I didn't touch them.
but
Alright, I did touch the fourth ones, but not the first, second, and third.
that's all right.
That's how it comes from the factory.
That's why I have to. I'm not blaming you.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I'm trying to find an excuse to my job.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I'm good there. That's off. The next pin.
A lot of flags again, sorry.
Yeah.
It's much easier to. So
You already have flux, and I already have flux in here, so.
Yeah.
Slightly more strong there. That's good. Sometimes when you do 400,
Yeah.
you see the hole here.
Yes.
Because it's 400,
It's
the layers underneath
Yeah.
might melt, and this shorted up the whole thing.
Alright.
This that's what I mean here.
Yeah, I know. It's
Yeah. So. Oh, that's good. So we can take these off. That's better.
yeah. You need to solve to the components, I'm afraid. Yeah.
You see, the problem sometimes, what you don't see here, is one, because you're using multiple wires inside,
Yeah.
it could be a wire bent and touching the other side,
I know.
and that's why you get smoke.
Alright.
So this is
Actually, the smoke doesn't come from that point. It comes from this point.
well, I know, but
Can that be connected?
it could be. I don't know.
Yeah,
Because
no one knows. Yeah, I know.
If something's short in, you can pray for anything.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
So I'm going to take these out one by one.
Yeah, just do whatever.
Because I want to get
yeah.
it on the. You see the screen?
Yes, I can see it.
See, that was touching. I think it was touching both ends. I felt it. See, we're doing 350. With flux, it just works beautifully.
Alright. Yeah, with the tiny components I'm not good with it because I'm always scared I might easily just damage it. This
Yeah.
whatever it is, capacitor
Yeah.
or resistor, I don't know.
Okay, so we got it there. That smell is to do with the plastic of the wire burning.
Yeah, I know.
Coming up. There we go.
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah.
That's why. Don't do 400 with these boards ever. It's not good.
Alright, I didn't know that. Actually, I just, been doing what I seen on the forums. Sometimes,
Now you have enough solder on the iron.
Yeah.
So no need to add more solder.
Yeah.
See that? It's coming up easily.
Yeah. The tiny points are always difficult to work with. Are they not?
What's that?
The tiny points, it's always difficult to work with them.
Yeah. Not with this equipment.
Yeah, that's true. But it costs hundreds, yeah.
Right, so no
Or
more
thousands.
solder.
So you're just adding more solder to it to take it out.
Just a bit, yeah. I need to move it aside a bit. Do you see it on the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Let me just move it a bit.
It's alright, I can sit here.
No, that's fine. Pretty nicely done.
Yeah.
Just gonna get the solder applied nicely. Looks good. See, there's dirt in there.
Yeah.
Flux.
I've been using a lot of flux because it's not, in my opinion, it's actually working better.
You see what happens? Do you see that? It flew.
Flow, yeah, to the other point. Yeah, to the other point. Yeah,
See,
it was too much.
no, it doesn't harm to use too much flux. Never a problem. By the way, the solder I'm using, this one here, has flux already.
Yeah, inside. Yeah, I know that.
And it's called flux core.
Yeah.
This one. Very good. Yeah, see, that's now taken my solder in to the other side of the board.
Yeah.
Right, now that cable, where was it going to? Next to it here?
Which one?
The green one.
The green one next to the.
The
Yeah.
blue, was it?
Yes, please.
There.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. How about these? I think we've done those. Now the rest of the cables. So these are all off.
Yeah.
Right, there's nothing touching anymore.
Shouldn't.
Should we take this off?
Yeah, please.
No.
It might not be easy because.
Yeah.
This. Is that necessary to take it out? Just
Not really.
Under the wires here, and just leave it on the
Sure.
board, unless you want
No,
to.
I just wanted to double check what's underneath, but that's fine. I'll take the wires off for now anyway. But that's not going because there's no flux. Sorry.
Solder.
Yeah. So just screen.
That's why I'm using flux, more flux on it, and then it will go as well.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah.
It's all out. Now, I don't need to do this, but I'm just going to clean up this to make sure that they're all good. That looks a bit contaminated, but it's fine. I don't care about that now. That needs solder. Try not to touch the heatsink with the RM. That looks good. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all fine. Okay, good. So,
do you want to redo this wiring as well to the...
yes, I'm going to go through it now.
Because on some points probably the solder goes through the hole on the other side.
Well, you see I think... Am I seeing
now a small square in the middle is ground as well, I think.
But hang on a second, they got some problem there. See that?
Yeah.
Is that...
no, they are not connected. It looks like a ground to me, because when I've been trying to actually check this point, it looks like it's connected to the ground. In the middle, this square, yeah?
Looks like a short to me. I'll double check it.
It's short to the... which one?
It's... I need to double check these 4 pins that's close to this.
Alright.
So let's just double check this one out. I already tested it, but I just want to be on the safe side. I don't like that bit in the middle. I just want to see what it is. It could be original.
That's the original, yeah. It was
sure.
there. Let's transfer your phone.
See, that's going to this.
Yeah, that's the ground. That's the ground, yeah.
Yeah. That's the ground. But that's not going here, which is fine. Yeah, nothing touching. Good. Okay. Well, if it's not shorting, I don't think we need to do anything about it yet. So, the NAND. I think we're back to where we wanted to be. Let me just clean this. I think we did clean this one up, didn't we?
Which one? Yeah, you did.
That we did.
Yeah, you did.
And what's that here? Yeah, good. Okay. Just checking any signs of damage. See, you got solder. Look at this. See that solder here?
Yeah, on the top of the capacitor, yeah.
Why?
I have no idea why.
That's not yours, is it?
It might be mine. I have no idea why.
You solder. See, that's another reason why things would be shorting. Yeah, that's definitely solder. Oops. I'm trying not to touch it too much.
Yeah, because otherwise you're gonna damage the
yeah, you see the solder?
Yeah.
See the solder here?
On the side of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Let's just do that on the screen.
I have no idea. It might be me, sorry.
It might be you.
It might be me.
Yeah, no, man.
It's like the plastering all the way.
Well, I need to test that capacitor now.
Really?
Yeah.
Even is. Alright.
Well, capacitors don't like heat. You know that. Right?
Yeah, I know that. Even if it's just a tiny bit of the solder on the.
Well,
just
if it's stuck on it, it means it just gone in. So I'm just going to double check. I know it's in the circuit. There.
Yeah, and some of the solder goes to the other side
Yeah.
of this.
I was going to read this now.
Yeah.
What's the size of this capacitor?
Do you need anything, guys?
No, I didn't. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much.
16 volts. 100 microfarads. Okay. 100 microfarads, that's what we're looking for, right?
Yeah.
So let's have a look. Capacitors,
You need to take it out.
with capacitors, it will tell you straight away the capacitance without taking it off. But the voltage would, you have to take it off.
Oh,
So, well, in my experience, most of the time...
it must have been taken out there.
I know. It's correct. I mean, take it out is definitely more accurate.
Yeah.
But this will tell you quickly if you need to take it out.
Oh, alright.
So now, don't touch any pins.
Yeah, I know, just to touch this one.
Just,
Yeah.
it should say 100 microfarads. That's going nowhere. No capacitance. It means now I need to take it out and test it. Let's just test the short. I have to turn on so it goes away. Yeah, well, we gotta take it out. Because I don't trust it.
Jest mama, daj mamę.
So we're going to do this.
Co to przyszło? Ale skąd? Skąd? Ale z jakiej firmy? Nie wiesz, co to przyjechało? Ja nic nie zamawiałem. Aha, nie, nic nie zamawiałem. Jakbym zamawiał, to bym ci powiedział, zazwyczaj tak robię, nie?
See see the capacitor on the microscope?
Not really, sorry.
Oh, I didn't. I need to switch to the microscope section. Sorry.
It's alright. So you're gonna use 4 of them? Are you gonna...
Yeah, just a bit heat.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's taking the soldering. See that? That's what I need.
Alright.
So that's it. That's fine. We're done with this.
But you set it up after 450.
Yeah. No. This is air. This
Yeah,
is
I know.
Yeah. With air, it's fine.
Is it?
Yes. This is air. And see, I
know that's air, but...
Yeah, that's fine.
It looks alright.
That looks okay. Yeah. So you can put it back, or I can put a new one in. What do you like?
The same, yeah. Why? Why do you want to swap it?
Same in. Okay.
Yeah.
Okey-dokey. Do you see on the microscope?
No. It's not clear.
You see it now?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because your eyes up there. Don't-
Yeah, no, that's
Don't worry,
it's the lens. No,
Yeah, I know.
There.
Yeah.
It's fine. I usually do, and then clean, and then put them in.
And 250 only.
I think so.
Maybe it was a few years back when you bought it. Yeah, good luck with it, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, it's going to. Alright.
It's a clean out. I love this. See, I also don't like to put it all the way down.
Yeah, just a bit out.
Just it
Yeah.
out like this, that's fine. Now I'm going to solder it in. So, now we have flux. Where is it going? Yeah, that's fine. Right, so let's get the flux. Good. So we'll clean everything up once we're finished.
Yeah, fine. You know what you're doing?
Maybe.
Maybe.
See, I enjoy that stuff.
Alright.
I really, really do. If it works.
Yeah, otherwise you can always put it in the bin, yeah? But you know what? My wife is not happy if I'm doing something what is not important in her view. Probably you've got the same, don't you?
Well, I think wife won't not understand what men do. Anyway. So that's the...
And this point takes a lot of heat, yeah?
See, what's not happening now? See it?
Yeah, it's not catching the point.
It's not
yeah.
catching up the point. So what we do... See that trick now?
Again, with the...
Just a bit, not too much. Now watch the difference.
Because you can melt it here with the air, I know, nicely.
No, we're not melting it.
Just heating it
Just
up.
heating up the parts. Yes. See this?
Yeah,
It's gone straight in.
nicely, yeah.
Nicely, see that? That you cannot do. You can never do this with just an iron. So
I know
what
that.
people do, they go 450 or 500
No.
and the board. Yeah, I've seen it.
Really?
Yeah, they go really high temperature to get this bit in. Really high.
Up to
And
400.
yes, they got it in. Yeah, no, they damage it. So now you can see the points. Nice.
Having it, yeah. Alright.
So that's good. Just also don't never rely on visual. Make sure that you're not really doing anything stupid. So like, good. That's connected. That's rounded. And that's connected too. Good. So the thing is back in the capacitor. And that's it. So for the solder, yeah, I've got this one. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry.
But anyway, you're gonna take out these points, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to connect this one back in anyway.
Yeah, but the other ones, are you not,
these
yeah,
ones
are
are
you not
for
taking
checking,
them out
No,
for checking?
No.
Are
We
you
are
not?
going to what? Checking what? Sorry.
These points, are you not taking this wire out to have a look what's
No,
going on?
no. They're not connected. So why should I?
Don't know, but so they...
Yeah. So this is no. I think we're good.
Alright.
We'll do a test now. Anyway. Were they? Why is that cable going bended like this? I don't like that one.
Which one?
This one.
The brown ones? Probably just going to bend it.
Yeah, I'm just going to bend it. It's alright, rather than bending it, I'm just going to
Move it.
throw it in. And this one I'm going to slightly... Well, it's actually fine.
Sorry?
I'm just thinking about the other ones, just to make sure that they can all visually look good.
Alright.
Oh, they're fine. So, should we try now with the
Alright,
JTAG?
yeah. We'll see what's going to happen.
So, you start on the JTAG bit. I'm just going to put this back into the display. Yeah.
We need to power it up as well. What's the
There's
right...
no power there.
Yeah, but... Sorry?
The power is disconnected.
Yeah, but what's the right way to connect it? Should I connect the programmer to NAND and then power it up? Because, anyway, we have to power up the...
No, this one has to be up first.
First?
Yes.
And then that one?
Yes.
Alright, so we need to...
Well, they usually connect everything and then power up. But that's fine.
That's what I'm asking. What are they supposed to do?
Right, so let's see.
Alright, let's see what's going to happen. Read NAND. It was oh,
Stocking, is it?
stocking here. Alright. It's stocking at this moment, but I've got the errors because it wasn't flashed properly, as I said.
Bad box, yes, okay, fine.
Yeah, so what am I supposed to do now? Should I try to flash the
Flash the original.
original?
Yes. Do the ECC first, yeah.
Alright, so that's mean I have to create ECC first.
Why?
Alright, because I have loaded the original NAND.
Yeah.
Then why you want to ECC? What's that? What do you mean by ECC?
It's the first 40 blocks.
Yeah, that's right.
No, the whole 400.
This
alright. The NAND is corresponding.
Alright, to create this ECC, if I create this ECC and write it down to the NAND, it will start up with the glitch program to show you the keys. But we have to connect the
We will connect
glitcher again.
Yeah. Well, okay, let's get the original first, however you do it.
Alright, so original first.
Yes.
Alright.
Most importantly, we don't make sure the whole circuit works.
Yeah, alright. It's gonna say it's not writing properly. Don't worry.
Sure.
That's what it says with this programmer. Don't ask me.
Alright.
But that's how it's look.
It shouldn't have that message. It should be
failed, but it's working. That's what they say. With this programmer.
Okay.
We'll see what's gonna happen, alright?
Alright.
And doing that writing, a smoke comes up.
Well, let's have a look. Shouldn't be.
That was at that time when I've been doing it.
So now we have this. So let's just put this to microscope.
Don't ask me why.
No.
I was probably doing something wrong, maybe with the bad connection or something.
No, we got lots of pins we removed, so that should now be fine.
The smoke comes from, I think, from the wire with the red color on it.
Well,
not that one's. Actually, I'm not sure what you
no,
can
there's
see.
nothing. Let's just go back.
Not the green and... oh, sorry, yeah, that's the right one.
Let's just focus it anyway, without the main display.
So these wires, actually, the loose wires, could cause the problem. Actually, that was the problem.
Yeah, probably.
They may probably just shorten something.
Most likely, yes.
Alright.
So I don't see any
smoke at this moment.
Smoke, and also we'll do more testing with the heat gun.
Oh, this with the heat gun?
Yes. No, I mean infrared.
Oh.
So this will find out.
It shows you, but it shows you just the temperature in the wider section. Oh, you've got that one. So it shows you exactly the temperature of the pool.
Now these are your pins.
Yes.
They're all good. They're all cold.
Yeah.
The hot one is actually this one.
The chip.
That's the chip that's working. That's probably a CPU there somewhere. So you've got 29 degrees, which is fine. There's no smoke coming out 29 degrees. NAND is cold.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the only one that's doing something.
Yeah.
What else? Yeah, it's all cold. It's all good. Yeah, and have a look.
No, it's fine.
That's fine.
How much it cost?
I can't remember.
It's not cheap. Because, alright, that's the with the camera and shows you, yeah.
I'll tell you how many degrees.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah. Because you can get the simplest one, but the simple one just catch the bigger area.
Yeah, but definitely you had something wrong with the
35. Alright. Thank you.
That's alright. Yeah, so the capacitor, it shouldn't be a problem, but because it
had a solder on it.
Yeah, the problem with the capacitor, it's radial.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be related, but just in case the solder was shorting up some pins in it,
yeah,
that would cause the fire as well.
All right.
Just in case. It's a really far possibility, yeah, but it could be that the solder was here and that line was there, yeah, and something went down, touching God knows what. But now
it looks all right.
So far, so good.
All right.
Yeah, I don't see any problems though. So, especially the pins, you've got a screensaver. Especially the pins.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah,
they're not really heating up. Pins shouldn't be heating up whatsoever.
So where I seen the smoke coming from it? Was it the flux? Because I left a lot of flux, as you've seen previously. Yeah.
No.
Could the flux?
No, flux is fine. Flux doesn't cause it.
So why I seen the smoke coming from it? I don't understand. Anyway, all right.
Maybe it was the marathon in London.
It's not happening this year.
Maybe coronavirus.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, that might be.
Yeah, so I think that is. We don't need this anymore. We can disconnect that guy. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, there's no.
Nothing going on.
No, it's fine. I definitely had one of the bits I picked up from the cables.
That was the problem.
Definitely were no good. We'll put the new one in.
All right.
Using this cable. Oh no, that's not using this one.
All right, done.
Okay. So now, can you read it back? I want you to read it back into a different file so I can compare it.
All right. Let's do it again. Start it from
I'm surprised if it's saying write failed, sorry.
Because, don't ask me why.
So in that case, if you write it the file now,
all right,
read it back.
Let me just, because I don't want to make a mistake and I don't want to over...
Yeah, I understand.
Right.
Close the program and open again.
That's what I have done. At this moment I'm not sure... All right, it's...
So if we power up, and by the way, we should power down.
What are we supposed to do at this moment?
We have to power down the Xbox.
Yeah.
Wait for 30 seconds and then power it up again. So I'll do that now.
Alright.
So whilst you're doing this, I'm going to disconnect your USB.
So, yeah, fine. Or should I do it here? It's fine.
No, don't worry. Disconnect it from here. So
that's necessary to restart it?
Yeah, you have to disconnect the Xbox.
Alright. Alright, so that's... I have changed the...
So that's enough. And now I'm going to connect that thingy. Yep, it's connected.
Yeah, it's connected, I can see it. I've got the reading blocks 2 and 3.
Yeah, you got 2 bad blocks there, being destroyed with the smoke from maybe.
So what I supposed to...
Well,
we've seen 4 previously, I think.
So let's flash it. Can you flash just the ECC?
Alright. Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Alright, let's... Yeah.
Is the reading fine?
Alright. I just tried at the beginning to just find out the information, what we've got over there, what kind of NAND, which comes up nicely.
Just talking back. Now,
yeah.
Can we read the chip? Read NAND. It's working? Looks good.
Reading NAND.
Good, so it's working, right?
Yes, it's working.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But that's only the beginning of it, yeah?
But there's no error now anymore.
No.
It's gone.
Gone.
That's the point.
That's right.
Exactly. Yeah, it's So now we are putting flux on the cable and soldering that in. See the difference in the cables?
It's thinner.
No, not just the thinner, the contactor as well.
Yeah, I know, it's
this
thinner.
One will go nowhere. Will only go to the place you want to.
Alright.
So,
question is, how thin can be the cable?
they're all 3.3 volt. Even a hair should do. Piece of hair will do fine.
Really?
Yeah.
What about the current in the...
There's no current. It's highly, well, there's really tiny for 3.3.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, look, see those pins?
Yeah, these pins, yeah, they're very tiny, yeah.
They're all the same.
Alright.
The only ones you need to make thicker is the
power cable,
the ground,
yeah,
and maybe the 3.3 volt.
3.3 volt.
But
yeah,
that's even that. If you look at the original,
yeah,
where's the original 3.3?
Yeah, because the wire was, going over the other pin. With the microscope you can see everything.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's
one
going
goes to E.
To E.
Yeah.
I'll do it at angle.
Alright, whatever you do.
Actually, because it's beginning, I'll
yeah, fine, I don't mind. Oh, I didn't see it yet.
See that? It's good.
Yeah.
Very good here.
Alright. Now,
see on the screen as well?
Yes, I can see it.
This.
Yeah.
Anything you need, just shout.
I will let you. Thank you.
That's good.
Yeah, I need to buy the microscope then. I need to buy the microscope.
It's beautiful. This is an Amscope one.
Amscope. Yeah, but it costs a few hundred, so
no, this
is not thousands. Yeah.
This one is 1,400. It's the camera is actually £600.
Oh, I need the camera. All I need to is just
I
see.
don't like that. See that soldering? I hate this one. That's not good. The solder itself is very contaminated.
It looks like it needs more flux to me. Flux to me.
I'll just take it all off.
Oh, you're gonna take it out completely?
Yeah, it's easier. I don't like it. It's not. So you don't see it now. You don't know what's wrong with it. But if you look on the main screen,
yeah,
you'll see what I mean. So I'll just put it there for you can see it. You see it now? The point?
Yes, I can see it.
Now look at it. See how it's like full of dirt. It's not really. See that?
All right.
It's not good. It's not you. It's the solder you used, whatever it is, or maybe I don't know what. You don't need a. You see now when I'm soldering.
Yeah, it looks nice and clean, but this solder is with the flux inside here.
Exactly.
And the flux make it nice.
You see how? It's like all shiny.
Yeah, I know. Previously it was not. Yeah.
Yes. So now.
But the line is very tiny.
Hang on, let's have a look.
It's going in and out.
Yes.
They are not straight. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's connected. That's right.
Okay, so there.
There. Yeah.
Okay. And anything else go into that circuit, or that's the only 1 and 2?
C1 and C2 going there.
Anything else go into that same box?
No.
That's fine.
Just
Okay.
these 2 wires. C1 and C2. Yeah, how to connect it nicely.
There, done.
Alright.
See? See, I want to double check the contacts.
With the meter, yeah?
Yeah. This one. This is good. These are good. Yeah, they're not connected. Good, perfect. So that works. Yeah, we're good there.
Alright.
That's too big.
What do you mean too big? It's so tiny.
So it goes here, right? Sorry.
Those
Here. On the
C...
screen?
No, higher.
This one?
There.
Are you sure?
Yes. Positive.
Done.
Yeah, C2.
Yep. And then the next one
And
goes
the next
to
one, C1, goes to
Go
the
above it.
higher ones. Yeah.
It wouldn't come off now. No way.
Alright.
It wouldn't come off.
Adjust. You know what you're doing, yeah?
Well, I hope so. Right, so that one is done. The other one is
The
over
next
on
one is going on the
other
top.
side. Yep.
Points. Wow.
So one is there. Perfect. That's fine. Rotate them. Actually, it's fine. You can just keep it on top. So that goes here.
Yep. Yes. Good, that's right.
Dobrze, as they say.
Dobrze, you know the Polish one? Polish ones, yeah.
Yikes, that's how I might not. That's no, I don't like it. Pick it up.
Installation just connected, yeah?
Yeah, I don't like it because I bent the cable.
Yeah,
So I know I'm being slow, but very steady. No, I'm just going to bend the pin slightly.
Oh.
I don't like to solder on top of it.
But there is no other point, I'm afraid. Oh, you can do it from the. You mean from the side?
Exactly.
Oh, that way.
Yes.
All right.
On the top, it might create shorts. That's fine. They're connected anyway.
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
So we forget, and that's not gonna work. Need to connect P1.
I don't like this. Is it okay to have it like this?
Yeah.
You can see on there.
Yeah, it's fine. As long as they are disconnected, it's fine. And we need to join P1.
So P1.
P1s, yeah.
Okay.
Together, please. Thank you.
P1. Done.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll find the ground first.
It's there, for example.
Yes. Right.
Unless you want to connect it there.
Nice. Right. That's the 5 volts.
On the JTAG? Unless you want to find it somewhere else.
That's the ground. Huh?
Looks like
ground,
it.
yeah, definitely ground pin here. That's a ground pin there. Where's it one? This one.
Alright.
See, when you touch it to the
ground, yeah.
shell, so
Yeah.
That's a ground pin, definitely.
No.
No, that's
Doesn't look like.
51 ohm. Hang on. No, this
No.
one. Here. No, it is. There. C0.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, so that is a ground pin. Exactly. No, not the weekend. What I meant is usually the progress.
At your other house, you mean? Sorry.
The Wimbledon.
Yeah.
How's it going there?
Almost finished. As I said, I need to get this plastic beading to fit around the back door.
Cool.
Actually,
we're stuck on the carpet, isn't it?
Yeah, and you're stuck on the carpet. Yeah, that's right. And just to be honest, do those touch-ups because I have finished the bathroom on Friday.
Very nice.
I did the screens. I have finished the windows. Just do the touch-ups in some places on the walls, and actually.
Right, I need to remove that green pin for now.
do it whatever you want to do.
Yeah,
I don't mind.
I need you to get rid of it for just a minute.
If everything is alright, we don't need that anymore.
That's fine. So I just need to get access to the location. The problem is this is pulling me. There, that's fine. How's that? Looks good.
Looks great.
Okay, now I put the green one back in. And I think we need a bit more solder there, so I'm just going to add that now. I don't know what solder you use, Arthur, because look at this
Yeah,
solder.
it doesn't look nice.
It doesn't stay, you know, shiny.
Yeah, I know, it's getting mad, yeah. So it's the soldering. Alright. So I have to buy something else then.
It's done. That's it. Right, now we go into 3.3, isn't it? I don't want to go too long on the 3.3 around, so I'm going to go this and this.
Always so.
Yeah, looks good. And looks good.
Yeah.
So you do an A for now.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Whichever is easier for you. Yeah.
A is
Alright.
done, yeah. So A is in. There we go.
There, yeah. Please.
Right, I'm not sure about this one.
Why?
I just want to double check this.
There's something wrong with it.
No, there's nothing wrong.
But
I just need to make sure that it's not shorting anything else, but the flux in there. No, it looks fine. On the microscope display, it looks good. This one?
yes, please.
It's done. So,
That's all I think.
so now we're using isopropanol to clean up the ends. Usually you can go away from
Yeah, it's also.
So, I'll leave you to it.
What do you mean, leave it to me?
No, I mean connect it to the...
Alright. Right, that's connected. I'm not sure, should we connect it to the TV now?
Well. Okay.
Should I?
One second. I'm not sure if it's AV1 or AV2. Let's do AV1 and try.
Oh, I started. It's set.
Yeah, okay. You see, I need to double check which connection am I using, AV1 or components. Or maybe I'm using something... So, what I am doing now is literally trying to find out what is the problem and why is it not powering off. So that's the Xbox. You can see the fan comes up. The light, you might be able to see the reflection over here. And that's about it. You don't get anything out of it. So I also did help him out later on with the soldering. I'm just going to start from scratch and then kind of get to the bottom of this. So I'm going to take a picture of the pins. Just to be on the other, this is JTAG programmer. Always take pictures of things to be on the safe side, just in case something goes wrong. Yep. And now we can continue. So first of all, I don't like that. Let me just get it closer look. Yep. It's a shame you can't see what I'm seeing. Well, the image looks a bit zoomed on the camera than what I see on the microscope, but that's fine. I think it's clear enough. So what we'll do is start desoldering these parts. So I'm going to remove all that stuff over here. I don't like it. Also get rid of this too. 350. There we go, so we've got to take these pins out. Now, you need to see those. So now we have the pins all taken out. So if I put my finger, you can see they're all out. And now I'm going to install the header pins. Should be easy. Aye, not good. Look at this. The eject does nothing. But the power see that? It's working. So I fixed it, but I think your ECC is not good. I'm loading the ECC, the built-in ECC that comes with the system, and that works fine. So yeah, it's all working now. So I think you might like this.